Hey, it's John Marc, and thanks for checking out my latest drawing video on how to draw cartoons. Today's lesson, I'm going to be sharing with you how to draw this cute little cartoon bear. Just another one that I actually used in my ABC with Noah book. And I got paid, and I actually made a book, and it's online, and you can purchase it through the Amazon and even on the Apple iTunes bookstore. Alright, so if you have your paper and you have your big pencil, or maybe a regular size pencil, anything will work with this lesson, of course. Let's begin. Here's step one. And here's step two. And here's the final third step. Hey, it's John Marc, and that was a fun lesson, and I hope you enjoyed it. As I shared and share in the past, practice sketching is all I really want you guys to spend. Maybe 15 minutes to 30 minutes to up to an hour a day would be awesome. Don't worry what it looks like, just practice in sketching. So that's a challenge that I want to put you up to today, or maybe even if you have tomorrow to work on it. Every other day or every day would be fine. As always, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, take that little cursor, hit that subscribe button. Hey, that's easy. And then you can catch up on all my videos and the future ones as well. And if you are one of my subscribers, I want to give you a big thumbs up and say, thanks, buds. Appreciate that. And I hope you have a wonderful day, everyone. Don't forget to visit our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you should take a look at our bookstore and download or purchase How to Draw 50 Different Fish.